Have you ever thought about investing in whiskey production? It's a fascinating concept, isn't it? Investing in a product that has been a beloved staple for centuries, a product that has stood the test of time. In this video, we're going to explore this unique investment opportunity in depth. We'll look at the advantages and disadvantages, the potential for substantial profits, and the time you'll need to invest. We'll also delve into the world of the top whiskey producers and their years in the business, giving you a clear picture of the industry's landscape, but we won't stop there. We'll discuss the applicable taxes, past insurance claims, and the overall market potential. Investing in whiskey production is not your typical investment, but that's what makes it so intriguing. So, are you ready to dive into the world of whiskey investment? Let's get started. First, let's talk about the advantages of investing in whiskey production. The potential for high profits in the whiskey market is very real. With the right distillery and the right brand, investors can see significant returns on their investment. And let's not forget about the prestige. Owning a share in a whiskey distillery carries a certain cachet, a mark of sophistication and success that few other investments can match. Then there's the growing global demand for whiskey. Consumers worldwide are developing a taste for this fine spirit, and that's driving up prices and profits. Some of the top whiskey producers have been in business for over 100 years, and they've got the success stories to prove it. Their longevity speaks volumes about the potential for long-term success in this industry. Clearly, there's a lot to be excited about when it comes to whiskey investment, but it's not all sunshine and roses. Now it's time to consider the downsides of investing in whiskey production. One of the most significant challenges is the patience required. Whiskey takes time to mature, and we're talking years, not months. This means your investment is tied up for a considerable period before you see any return. Then there's the issue of taxes. Alcohol production is heavily taxed, which can eat into your profits substantially. Additionally, there's the risk of insurance claims due to accidents or natural disasters. This industry is not immune to mishaps, and a single incident can result in significant financial loss. Furthermore, the whiskey market can be volatile. Prices fluctuate and consumer preferences shift, making it a somewhat unpredictable investment. Lastly, breaking into an industry dominated by established brands is tough. These companies have a loyal customer base, and convincing whiskey enthusiasts to try a new brand can be a hard sell. As you can see, investing in whiskey production is not without its challenges, but is it worth it? So, is investing in whiskey production a good idea? Well, let's circle back to what we've discussed. The upside is quite appealing with the potential for significant profits and the prestige that comes with owning a piece of the whiskey industry. Not to mention, the demand for whiskey is on a steady rise. However, it's important to remember that every investment has its risks. Whiskey production requires time, a lot of it. The spirit needs several years to mature, and during that period your capital is tied up. Then there's the hefty taxes levied on spirits, which can eat into your profits. Insurance claims, too, are a real risk, given the volatile nature of the production process. Ultimately, the decision to invest in whiskey production is a personal one, based on your risk tolerance, investment goals, and passion for whiskey. Now, although it's an investment opportunity unlike others, it may be too risky for many investors. So be sure to understand and are willing to take all the risks involved before investing. You may not know that YouTube channels depend on the total accumulated time their videos are watched. Channels also highly depend upon the number of subscriptions received. So thank you for watching the entire video. To further help this channel, please click the subscription button below. In addition, if you enjoyed the video, you may also click the thumbs up button. Thank you.